There it is, ready to go. You ready, Tony? Am I gonna be able to be in there when you spray? Am I gonna get headliner all over my face?
It's yours.
Yes, sir. High tech.
High tech.
High tech, guys. Guys, we ran into some issues. Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the Troqueando channel. We are here at Leading Edge Collision because we're gonna be doing the final touches on the SS clone, and that is the bed liners. But before we get started on that, I want to give you guys some bad news. And this is the bad news right here, guys. The ram is down. Edgars' truck right here got hit and got hit bad. The good thing is that he is okay. Just the truck is pretty beat up. So we don't know what is gonna be the status on this, but hopefully we're able to bring this thing back from the dead. You guys let us know if you guys want to do that, because it is pretty beat up. Mira nomás. God. Pretty bad. I don't even know if it's gonna start or anything, but shit, man. This truck right here is one of the trucks that started, actually this truck and my truck, the OG, is what started the brand. And unfortunately, you know, this happened right here. Kind of sucks, but like I said, the good thing is that Edgar's okay. He was able to walk out without a scratch, just kind of like, you know, just some body aches, just some minor little scratches and stuff like that, pero pues todo bien. God, even the airbags deployed too. That is crazy. I don't know if it's open or not. It's locked. Guys, chingao. This thing happened just a couple days ago, and it sucks. But like I said, the good thing is that Edgar is okay. Now I think it's locked. But yeah, we got the airbags deployed on that side. Probably can't tell that much on the video, but ni modo, guys. The Hemi is down, the Dodge is down, the Ram is down for now. Let us know if you guys think we should bring this thing back from the dead in the comment section below. Pues ni pedo. You know, the good thing is Edgar walked away. Pero pobrecita, ahí quedó la Ram. Shit. But yeah, guys, ni modo. Ahí quedó la Ram. We're going to be doing some upgrades hopefully here pretty soon. Or hopefully getting it fixed up back up on the road. So, ni modo. Y'all stay tuned for those changes. But yeah, we're going to be doing the bed liner on the SS clone before we take it to the winner. Now, that guy that won it actually lives in Las Vegas, Nevada. So we're going to be going out there to Las Vegas to turn it in pretty soon. So if you guys missed out on that live, the live is on our channel. Make sure you go check it out. Congratulations again to Alejandro for winning that badass SS clone.
Yesterday he came by and got some stuff out. And
yeah.
I was like, how you feeling? He looked, just a little bit. So I was like, dude, tomorrow
you're gonna feel it more.
You're gonna feel it.
Damn, bro. You think that has a potential come up on that? No?
It's done. The frame, so you see the frame is all pushed over like that.
Oh yeah.
But like this, so this is part of the upper structure. Look, it buckled all the way back here.
Holy shit, estaba duro el chingazo.
Yeah. All the way back here, you see?
Oh yeah. Man, down there.
If you look, like the bed right here. Like in los dos deditos.
Yeah.
So it went like that. Yeah.
So the whole front end basically just went that way.
The entire frame did that.
Shit. So the only thing saving this thing would be a whole new frame?
More than that.
Yeah?
A frame, the upper structure, and then I'm sure like the pillar and all that has some damage. I wouldn't be surprised if there's like a buckle or something in the roof.
Like it just...
Because the roof is like real flimsy, right? So when you have impact like that, it'll cause the roof to
kind of
probably buckle.
Yeah. So maybe just looking at it right now, you can't tell until like everything's like when you're trying to line up stuff. That's when you can tell it'll be a buckle.
Or you take the headliner out and you look at all the braces on the inside.
Yeah.
Then you'll be able to see. But even this, so like on the top here.
Todo, mira.
This is buckled inside there.
Shoot. Y'all stay updated on this one. We're gonna let y'all know here pretty soon as we get an idea what's gonna happen to it. And but for now, we gotta work on the SS clone. Yo, bed line. Yes, sir. There it is, ready to go. You ready, Tony?
Go.
What we're gonna be doing today?
Headliner, Bubba.
The whole thing. You ever done one before? No?
Just undercoating.
Undercoating? Okay, okay. Shouldn't be too hard, right? Nah, it's gonna be easy. We're all gonna learn together, guys. Right now, this video right here. I've never seen it done before, too.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. You just gotta clean up the bed and then just prep it for, just spray it, right? Cool. Cool.
Sand it down, prep it, take it off. Headliner.
So sand it down, like it's just a little small scuff up or what?
Yeah, like little stuff, bro.
Okay. Cool. So this kit is supposed to be a nice DIY kit, from what I've heard. ¿Cómo se abre esto? We're going. We'll get some barbacoa.
In style.
Damn. It's a badass sound.
My golf glove.
Bro. Wow, bro.
You gotta golf in style, man.
Two the pinky, one the stinky. I chinga. Almost that time, almost. Right, Tony? We got going on over here?
Gat ready.
Shoosh. Am I gonna be able to be in there when you're spraying?
Yeah.
Am I gonna get bed liner all over my face?
Let me get you.
Oh, wait, you serious?
You want like a whole bunch of oversprays.
It's not, right? I'm not gonna come out with bed liner in my face?
Come out black.
No, negro ya estoy, güey. Poquito. Cool. Yeah, so we got the truck is what is this called? Like the little, just plastic, just the plastic.
wrap.
It sticks to the body pretty good.
It's got a little bit of static. So
Oh, it does?
it's easy,
Yeah. Dope. Everything prepped, ready to roll. Hey, is this too late to say we can throw some silver on the bed liner?
Yeah, this doesn't make sense.
Nah, just playing. Hell yeah.
Black
All
on
black. It's gonna look good. It's gonna look really good.
They do offer
Color?
liner that you can tint, so you can tint different colors and stuff
Yeah.
like that. So.
Okay. I've seen it on some other trucks,
Yeah.
but I think black on this one's gonna fit it on nicely. So what happens? You just throw paint on that, or they sell already the kit ready?
No, the kit that they sell for a toner, I think it's a different color. It's not black.
Okay.
And then you just add the color to it,
Uh-huh.
whatever color you want. Mix it up just how we are,
Yeah.
and now it's that. It's got color.
Okay. So maybe for a future project, if we want to do something like that, we have to get the right one that's not black.
Correct.
Okay. Cool. Shoot, I think I'm gonna stand over here. Right, Tony? Wait. I get a good shot right here in the middle.
Tony's sniffing black dust.
Yeah, what's up, bro?
He's going to war.
Yeah.
Tony's going to war.
Shoot. This will be my first time watching someone do some bed liner. Up close and personal.
This is my first time doing a bed.
Oh, wait, what? What?
First time.
I thought you didn't tell me that, bro.
What not to do. Yeah, here you go.
Hey, you told me he had done like 3.
He'll be alright. In his head.
Yeah. Now we're finna learn right now, guys. We can't learn if we don't try it, right? So we got the hard lines here, all the way up to here. It's usually where you do it at, right?
Yeah.
That way, when you close the tailgate, it covers it up pretty nicely.
Yeah.
And then por aquí, más o menos.
Wait for me. Yeah.
Wait, what's right? Can I breathe it in? So Tony's wearing a mask over there, bro.
Tony's extra safe. Got to be.
See that? Got new filters on that?
No. How's the phone? Is on pretty good?
Ooh, nice. Man, that's bad. That's it, right? But nah, boss, you got it. Keep going.
Yeah. You got it.
Smells kind of good.
Ready, Tony? You want to do it? Because you can reach all the way to here. You know what I mean?
Oh yeah. Okay.
So just go ahead and spray that front, that side, the tub, and then we're gonna do the bottom at the end.
That was pretty damn good. Hell yeah. What brand we using?
Right there.
High-tech.
Right there. Get yours.
Yes, sir. High-tech.
High-tech.
High-tech, guys. Huge shout out to High-tech for sponsoring the bed liner on this one. And Leading Edge, Tony, my boy Tony, and Adan. This thing is gonna come out good. That thing is loud. That's a heater?
Yeah.
Fans?
Huh?
That's the second one? That's the third one? So that's the last one we got. And we still got all that. We'll make it happen. Right, Tony? Got a little warm in here. Alright? Alright, we're in the last bottle. See? We're gonna make it happen. Guys, we ran into some issues. Right, Tony?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
That'll be alright. We unfortunately ran out of a little bit of bed liner. So we have to get, what, one more bottle? Maybe two? Una vez?
Yeah,
Two more?
And the hardener.
And the hardener. Yeah, so the tailgate is the one that we're not able to do, but we also want to do another pass on the whole.
There's one press coat over everything.
Everything.
So we have extra coverage.
That's right.
When you're hauling wood and
Yeah.
rims and tires.
A nice thick coat. So, unfortunately, that's gonna get done another day. I wanted to show you guys the full or the finished progress. I can show you a little bit right now. Man, it's cool out there. It's freaking hot in here. Yeah, we ran out of the material. We ran out of the product. So this is the way it looks right now. The tailgate is still missing. So we gotta do the whole tailgate. So the whole tailgate is gonna get done with the other two bottles that we're gonna get, and we're gonna do another pass on the full bed, so it gives it a nice thick coat. But so far, this is the way it's gonna look, somewhat close to that. So, like I said, not done. Not done. We're gonna get done though. So unfortunately, I will not be able to show you the end result on this video, but we will be posting a picture on our Instagram so you guys can check that out and let us know what you guys think. And also, again, shout out to High-Tech bed liners for hooking us up with this bed liner for this truck, and the guys here at Leading Edge Collision, Adan and Tony, for doing it. Today's a Saturday, so they actually came out and do it on a day off. So huge shout out to those guys. Thank you guys for coming out here. You guys, let us know what you guys think on the bed liner. This is something that's in the works very soon, so you guys stay tuned. We might or might not be able to offer something like this for the guys, you guys that like to do that type of thing at your house, your DIYers. Maybe or maybe not, we'll have a kit like this available for you guys to buy. So, and if not, you guys stay tuned. So, that's it for this, guys. I hope you guys can hear me with all the noise in here, but that's going to be it for this video. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Do not forget to let us know what you guys think on Edgars RAM. Well, if we should bring that thing back from the live, or if we should just leave it the way it is. Drop those comments, guys. And that's how it, guys. Make sure you hit the subscribe, make sure you hit the like, and You guys stay tuned. This truck is headed to Las Vegas, Nevada. As soon as it gets done, I'm gonna be heading over there to turn it into the winner. So we're gonna be doing a video on his reaction on that as well, because who doesn't want to go to Las Vegas, Nevada? Las Vegas. That's it, guys. Catch you guys in the next one. Hit that subscribe, hit that like. Catch you guys on the next one. Let's go.